Hello, Miss Crafty lovers. You're welcome again to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be showing you how to make this type of handle. Like, I've met a lot of people who asked me how I make this kind of handle for bags. So in case you're already into the bag making business and you know how to make bags, so this would actually be a way to spice up your handbags and make them look even more beautiful with using a twisted handle. All right, please stay tuned while I show you how this is done. Hope you enjoyed the video and you were able to see how a twisted handbag handle is. Right, please, if this is your first time of joining us, subscribe to my channel because I have more impressive content coming up later in the month. And also, if you liked what you saw, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me your thoughts. I'd like to hear what you think, and also share to your friends so that they too can help with my algorithms. All right, bye for now.